Okay, today in this video I'm going to show how to do the basic brush techniques. Okay, so whichever medium you're going to start, we have to first practice the brush technique. So here I have taken a round brush. See, this is how Nazika. This is how the round brush is. Okay, so I'm going to dip initially into the water. Okay, see, I'm going to swirl. Okay, so into the water, then I'm going to remove the excess of water, then I'm going to dip into my color. You have to take your color onto the palette. Okay, and then here I'm going to start off my basic brush technique, and that is first to draw lines. So I'm going to make this horizontal lines. Okay, practice as much as possible, and then I'm going to do see, while doing the lines, if you're able to see, I'm just moving my shoulder. Okay, that is very important. You need to move your shoulder when using the brush. Okay, then again let me show you few more. Let us do these techniques. Let us do this curve. Okay, here apply what you have to do is apply a little pressure and see, and then apply a little less pressure and see. So you have to understand how to control your brush with your pressure. Okay, so it's a pressure control exercise. You have to do this before getting into any kind of a artwork. Okay, so now this is how we have done, and then you can even do some random shapes like this. Try to practice all these things. Okay, see, since this is your so try to practice all this, and poster color doesn't require much of a water, please remember that. Okay, so use less of a water and try to do this. Keep your brush wet. Okay, once this is done, you can even draw do see dots like this. Okay, and then from down, top to down. Okay, and from side. Okay, all these you need to learn. Applying dots, applying dash. Okay, and then even try to draw these leaves. Okay, you need to learn everything. Try to practice these leaves. Okay, now I have taken a light color. Now add a little more darker color and try to do. Apply less water, a little more dark. See, so try to do with your brush, and see, every time if you see, I'm moving my shoulder. Okay, so that is what you need to know, to move your shoulder. Okay, so these are the basic things you should know, you should practice before using the brush. Okay,